Hey guys, it's summertime, and I don't know about you, but I've been thinking about going to the beach. So let's take a little bit of time and figure out what we should pack when we go. Alright guys, it's summertime and we're going to go to the beach. So what would we pack to go to the beach? Let's see what we need. First, let's start with what we're going to wear. Well, probably you want to wear a swimsuit. You can either wear it there or take it with you. And probably a t-shirt. Obviously, if you're a girl's swimsuit, okay? And we're gonna wear those. Then we might want some sandals or flip-flops, something like that for our feet. Then we're gonna need a towel. This is a bath towel. It'd be better if it was a beach towel. But whatever you have, whatever is okay with your parents to take, we'll pack that. And the clothes. And then, what else might we want? How about some water? We can't drink the salt water in the ocean, so we should take some water with us. There might be some water to get there, but maybe not. So let's take it with us and be prepared. Then we might want some sunscreen to protect us from the sun. Another thing that could protect us from the sun is a hat. Any type of a hat. I won't put that inside. Then you might also want some snacks. Just an example of some snacks. Then possibly a blanket, and maybe some sunglasses. And I think that's mainly the basics that we would want. There might be some other toys or ball or frisbee or something you might want to bring, but that's up to you. But this should be pretty much the basics of what we need. Alright guys, hold on just a second. 3 more things before we go. Number 1, don't get too much sun. Number 2, be safe in the water. And number 3, the most important one, make sure that you have a good time. Alright, that's it for today guys. I'm Mr. Sean, and I'll see you at the beach.